Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2026 and moving forward. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD, speaking to you about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA where I am, author, writer of 22 books, journalism teacher and school people advisor, university professor, outstanding teacher and president of the Teachers Association and more. In my 22 books, yes, 22, and Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, is my first book among my 22 books right here in front of you. And available worldwide at Amazon, outskirtspress.com, all bookstores near you worldwide and globally, online stores as well, and at my two websites. Yes, I have two websites, and I would like to welcome you to visit. You're all welcome. The first one is Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com. The second one is juanitagutierrez.com. See you there. And how are you all? And I just would like to give my love, light, and gratitude to my I am presence in my own heartbeats, in your own heartbeats, and everybody's heartbeats. The Creator is within us. I honor the God in me, in you, and all of us. In other languages, it's called Namaste. That means I honor the God in you. And so each time you see each other, yourself, most importantly, you say, I honor the God in me, in you, and all of us. In Tagalog, kumusta po kayong lahat? Inaanyayahan ko po kayo muli sa ating pag-aaral ng Tagalog. At ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, na nagsasalita po sa likod ng video na ito. Ang grupo dito sa Nueva York, Amerika at pangulo ng mga samahan ng mga guro, modelong guro at profesora sa pamantasan at guro ng journalism at tagapayo ng pampaaralang pahayagan. At marami pa pong iba dito sa 22 kong aklat na makikita po ninyo sa Amazon, sa buong daigdig at sa akin pong website, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmscd.com, at yun pong ikalawa, juanitagutierrez.com. Inaanyayahan ko po kayong bumisita sa akin pong website. In English, welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. That's how it is pronounced. Tagalog. First syllable ta, second syllable ga, third syllable log. The second syllable is ga, and that's where the accent is, and that's how it is pronounced. Tagalog. Tagalog. And so, welcome to our lesson. Today, we are going to discuss katinig, consonants in English. First syllable ka, second syllable ti, third syllable nig. The accent is in the second syllable, katinig, katinig, katinig. Consonants in English, whether it is singular without S or plural with S, it's the same word in Tagalog, katinig, 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 consonants or consonant. We have examples here. Of course, they will not fit in our small board, but we will continue in our next lesson. The first consonant or katinig is ba. Ba. Example or halimbawa, bata, child in English. First syllable ba, second syllable ta. Bata. First syllable is the accent. Bata, child in English. Ka, ka, kaniya, kaniya. First syllable ka, second syllable ni, third syllable ya. The accent is in the second syllable, kaniya. His or her, the same word, kaniya. Da, da. Example, halimbawa, dalaga, dalaga. Single, unmarried lady, dalaga. First syllable da, second syllable la, third syllable ga. The accent is in the second syllable, dalaga, dalaga, dalaga. In English, it is single, unmarried lady. Next, ga. Next, katinig or consonants, ga. Example, halimbawa, gawa, gawa. Made of, in English, or reason. Gawa, gawa. First syllable ga, second syllable wa. The accent is in the second syllable wa. Gawa, gawa, gawa. In English, made of or reason. Next, katinig or consonants in English, ha, ha. Example, halaman, halaman. In English, plants. Halaman. First syllable ha, second syllable la, third syllable man. The accent is in the second syllable, halaman, halaman, halaman. Plants in English. The next katinig or consonants is la, la, la. Lata, lata. Can in English. First syllable la, second syllable ta. The accent is in the first syllable, lata, lata. Can in English. Ma. The next katinig or consonants. Ma, ma. Madali, madali, madali. Easy in English. First syllable ma, second syllable da, third syllable li. The accent is in the third syllable, madali, madali, madali. Easy in English. The next katinig or consonants is na, na, na. Nalito, nalito. Puzzled in English. Nalito, nalito. First syllable na, second syllable li, third syllable to. The accent is in the third syllable, nalito, nalito, nalito. Puzzled in English. The next katinig or consonant is nga, nga. This is NG and it is pronounced as nga, nga, nga. Example, ngayon, ngayon. English, now. First syllable nga, second syllable yon. The accent is in the second syllable, ngayon, ngayon, ngayon. Now in English. Let's review. Katinig, katinig, consonants. Ba. Example, halimbawa, bata, bata. First syllable ba, second syllable ta. The accent is in the first syllable, bata, bata, child in English. Next, katinig or consonants. Ka, kaniya, kaniya. First syllable ka, second syllable ni, third syllable ya. Second syllable is the accent. That's how you pronounce it. Kaniya, kaniya. His or her. The next katinig or consonants is da, da, da. Dalaga, dalaga. Meaning single, unmarried lady. Dalaga, dalaga. First syllable da, second syllable la, third syllable ga. The accent is in the second syllable, dalaga, dalaga, dalaga. Single and married lady in English. The next katinig or consonants is ga, 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 gawa, gawa in English, made of or reason. First syllable ga, third syllable wa. The accent is in the second syllable, gawa, gawa, gawa. In English, made of or reason. The next katinig or consonant is ha, ha, ha. Halaman, halaman. Plants in English. First syllable ha, second syllable la, third syllable man. The accent is in the second syllable, halaman, halaman, halaman. Plants in English. The next katinig or consonant is la, la, la. Example, lata, lata, lata. Can in English. First syllable la, second syllable ta. The accent is in the first syllable, lata, lata, lata. Can in English. The next katinig or consonant is ma, ma, ma. Madali, madali. Easy in English. First syllable ma, second syllable da, third syllable li. The accent is in the third syllable, madali, madali, madali. Easy in English. And the next katinig or consonant is na, na, na. Example, halimbawa, na lito, na lito. Puzzle. In English, example in Tagalog is halimbawa. First syllable na, second syllable li, third syllable to. Nalito. The second syllable is where the accent is. Nalito. Excuse me, please. Nalito. Puzzle. The next katinig or consonant is nga, nga, nga. Example, halimbawa, ngayon, ngayon, ngayon. That means now in English. First syllable na, second syllable yon. The accent is in the second syllable, ngayon, 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 now. And you might notice this is my pen that has my book, Secret Miracles of Therese, Jude, and Blaise, written by yours truly, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMS, CD, available on Amazon and all bookstores. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned something today. See you once again. And I would like to greet again all of you. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2026, and moving forward with our I Am presence in our own heartbeats, blessing us all, with long lives, prosperity, good health, peace, unity, compassion, forgiveness, happiness, love, and light to us all. And you might notice the Holy Family, Saint Joseph, Lady Mary, and the baby Jesus in the manger. We are all, according to archangels, we are all holy. We are gods and goddesses, and the real teaching of Jesus, Sananda is his real name, is the kingdom of God is in you. And God is within our heartbeats. We are all gods and goddesses. We are all children of one God. We are one unity consciousness in love and light. We are all walking gods and goddesses according to the Son of Master Germain. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love and light to us all. The word Christ means unconditional love. if you love each other, especially yourself first, if you love yourself, if you respect yourself, because we are all children of one God, you respect and love everyone, your fellow divine beings. We are all Christ. I would like to give this opportunity as well. Thank you, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe so that you will be updated in all my videos. Namaste. That's a Sanskrit word that means I honor the God in you, in me, and all of us. First, I honor the God in me, in you, and all of us. That's my greeting, and that should be our greeting to everybody, every seconds, every minute, every day, forever. I honor the God in me, in you, and all of us. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Enjoy and have a nice day always.